In this video, I'll show you how to charge your Beats Flex earbuds. So in the box, they came with this USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Unfortunately, there's no charger included in the box. You'll need to get one separately, or most people already have one at home, especially if you have an iPhone or an Android smartphone. So this is how it looks. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon, and it's not important what brand or what type. Most USB Type-C charger will work with this cable. So I'll connect one end over here, and the other end, you need to take your Beats Flex, and where it says Beats, right under over here, there is a USB Type-C charging port. So you just have to connect both together and then connect this one to a power outlet. Like that. Now you're gonna notice on the power button, which is located on the other casing here, that it lights up, and this small light can communicate different things. If it's blinking red, it simply means that it needs to be charged. If it's staying red like it is right now, it means that it has less than an hour left of charging. And if it's staying white while they're charging, it simply means that you have less than half an hour of charge left to fully charge them. And by the way, if you don't have much time to charge these, with only 10 minutes of being connected to a power outlet, you can get an hour and a half of music playing. So this is great if you're in a rush. Now, unfortunately, you're not able to use your Beats Flex while they are charging. Although this cable is short, you can use another cable that is longer, but unfortunately, even if you do so, you won't be able to put them in your ear and still using them while they are charging. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check the Amazon links in the description down below if you want to support my channel. Every time you do so, well, I get a very small commission when somebody buys something. Leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.